Hi everyone, if you're struggling to find new and exciting dinner ideas, or maybe you're looking for a stew to add to your Christmas table, look no further. I'm sharing a unique take on the classic Sudanese Mullah Damah, elevated with the addition of boiled eggs. Prepare to impress yourself and your family with this super tasty stew. I start by heating some oil and fry the onions. Meanwhile, I boil some eggs. The eggs make the stew very satisfying and they offer a delicious twist to this simple stew. Once the onions start browning, I add the meat, cinnamon stick, seasoning cubes, black pepper, curry powder, coriander powder, paprika, mixed herbs and crushed ginger. Then I mix to combine. All these plus quantities used are listed in the description. I add the tomatoes, top the ingredients with water and cover this for 15 minutes. At this point, I take out the tomatoes and peel the skin off, then I blend them and add the blend into the pot. I also add tomato paste and capsicum and cook it for another 20 minutes or until the meat has softened to my liking. I adjust salt to taste, add garlic and cumin powder and let it simmer on low for 5 minutes. I add the boiled eggs into the stew at this point. Always score the eggs so that the flavor of the stew can be absorbed into the eggs. Cover the pot and allow this to simmer on the lowest heat setting for 5 more minutes. The stew is ready and it tastes amazing, and the air is filled with the aroma of the garlic and spices, completed by the sweet earthy aroma of the cumin powder. We ate this with rice, however it can also be paired with kisra, injera, bread rolls or chapati. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you try it, let us know how yours turned out in the comments. For simple recipes, tap the subscribe button and put the notifications on so you don't miss any new updates. Bye for now, and I hope to see you all in my next video.